When editing a table, do you ever need to insert new cells or delete extra cells? Take this table as an example. Insert new cells, rows, and columns. Click Edit to get into Edit mode. Click Tools, then go to the Insert tab. Click Cell. Click the position where you want to insert a new cell and select Shift-Right to add a blank cell. This time, the original contents will move to their right. You can also select Shift-Down to add a blank cell, but the original contents will move downward. You can also select Row to insert rows and click Column to create columns. How to insert a row quickly. At the row bar of your table, select the place you want to insert a new row. Click More in the floating menu. Then you can create a new row by clicking Insert Row. This also holds true for inserting a column. Delete new cells, rows, and columns. Go to the Home tab, click Delete Cells. Click the cell to be deleted, then select Shift Left. The contents of the selected cells will be deleted, and the cell on its right will automatically move to the left. Similarly, clicking Shift Down will bring the next row of the deleted cell upward. You can also select Row to remove rows and click Column to delete columns. How to delete cells quickly. Select the cells to be deleted. Note, either single cell or consecutive cell ranges are available to choose from. In the floating menu, click Delete. Then the deleted cell will be replaced by its right-hand cell. On WPS Office PC, it'll be more convenient to insert and delete cells and columns. Come and try it.